Very good evening, guys. Very good evening. So you can hear me and you can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our session, guys, please tell me today the screen is fine or else you are facing the same issue. Today the screen is fine. Yes, it is fine. I don't know why yesterday it happened like that. I don't know why it happened like that. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Fine. And I believe you can you see the chat box also? Can you see the chat box also? Yes, yes, that is good. That is good. All right, guys. All right, all right. Okay, all right, guys. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, as always, before starting our session, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So, guys, yesterday we have started discussing about abstraction. So a lot of topics, a lot of points we have already covered. Like I told you, abstraction means it is the process of hiding the implementation details from the user and showing only necessary details to the user. And yes, we can achieve abstraction in Java. We can achieve abstraction in Java in two ways. That is like by using abstract class. Second is by using interface. But before understanding what is an abstract class and what is an interface, first we should be having an idea about abstract method. I told you first we should be having an idea about abstract method. So first we have seen like what is an abstract method. Yes, a method which is declared as abstract with abstract keyword, that is actually known as abstract method. Abstract method always ends with semicolon. Abstract method, there is no method body. Implementation for an abstract method will be given in the next class with the help of using method overriding. Actually, we already covered that particular point also. And after that, like we had seen what is actually an abstract class. We had seen what is actually an abstract class. And yes, a class which is declared as abstract with abstract keyword, that is known as abstract class. And we can write both normal methods and abstract methods in abstract class. And this is very important point. Third point, very important point. Writing abstract method inside an abstract class is not mandatory. It is always optional. It is always optional. So we already covered that particular concept, and we have seen like inside an abstract class we can write main method, we can write constructors, we can write static methods. All we already covered that particular concept also. And I told you, yes, we cannot create an object for an abstract class. Means abstract class can't be instantiated. So whenever we are inheriting an abstract class also, what are the rules which we need to remember? All those particular rules also we have already covered in our classes, that is in our STS class. So we had seen some questions also in our STS class. So these are all the topics which we had, like all the concepts, points related to abstract method and abstract class in our yesterday's session. Now, today, guys, today we will be starting discussion about interface. Java interface. Now, do you know what? Actually, if we cover abstract class, interface concept is actually very easy. Interface concept is very easy. I'll explain you that. Now, guys, before going to interface, I'm proud to show you some of my students' success stories. Can I? Guys, can I show them? Please respond. Please respond in the chat. Right. So, guys, please. Actually, Rajesh already, I think I had already shown you this. Did I show you this from Rajesh? Did I show you that? Like, I did not show him. Okay. Right. This mail is from Rajesh, guys. He's a non-IT student. non-IT student. He's actually triple E student. Okay. And he got placed in HCL as software engineer, non-IT student. And I requested him to send the interview questions which he faced. And these are the interview questions which he faced. Introduce yourself. Say something about final year project. Why do you want to choose software industry? Why should we hire you? What do you know about HCL? Guys, point number 5, that fifth question is very, very important. Whenever you are going for any MNCs companies, try to have a background check about that company. Background check in the sense, like how many projects are going on, what is the stock price of that, what is the quarterly profits of that particular company. All the data you will be getting in your Google. For example, HCL, right? Okay, HCL PROFITS, HCL profits. If you enter like this, Wiki. Now, in the Wikipedia, you will be getting all the details. See, its share market is increasing only, right? How many employees HCL is having? Like this. Are you understanding me, guys? So it is having 3 subsystems like that. So what I want you to do is, whenever you are going for any MNCs companies, please try to have a look about that Wikipedia, like about information about that company on Wikipedia. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Is it? Are you getting me, guys? 5 points are also not required. Just 3 to 4 points. That's it. They should be satisfied that, okay, this guy did not directly came to the interview. They had did some background work. That's it. Just a small background work. That's it. Okay. Now, technical, explain OOPS briefly. Guys, can you explain? Can you explain encapsulation? Can you explain inheritance, method overloading, method overriding, abstract method, abstraction, abstract classes? Can you explain? Guys, come on here. Please respond in the chat. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle here, please. I'm having 150 students are there as of now. Why only literally 30 to 40 people are responding? What about others? Guys, I'm not saying you are not listening. I know you guys are listening, but please respond in the chat. These are online classes. I just want to make as interactive as possible. Please, guys, please. Okay. Right. So what are access modifiers? Can you answer this question? How many are there? How many are there? Four. Exactly. Collection framework. We'll be trying to cover this particular concept. This is the last topic. We'll be trying to cover this particular topic. After that, abbreviate main method. Can you answer this, guys? Main method. Can you answer this? Why main method should be declared as public, static, void, main, string, array, args? I have spent one entire day for this main method, and I gave you the syntaxes also, right? Almost 18 to 19 syntaxes I have given only for main method, right? So likewise, and just some basic questions on HTML and CSS, and he got placed in HCL. He did not mention the package. Okay, anyways, maybe it will be like 3.6. This is from Rajesh. This mail is from Rajesh. And this mail is from one of my student, Pujita. Today only I got this mail actually. I did not ask her interview questions. I will ask. Pujita. She got placed in Accenture with a package of 4.8 lakhs. How crazy it is. 4.8 lakhs as a fresher, associate software engineer. And her joining date is on 24th March. Today is 24th March. Thursday joining, Friday She will go Saturday and Sunday week off. 24th March is a joining. Right? I mean, recently my 5 o'clock batch core Java got completed. Not recently, almost it got completed almost 1.5 months, I guess. But anyways, and she's from non-IT student. Non-IT student, guys. As simple as this. She got placed in Accenture with a package of 4.8 lakhs. This is from Pujita. And just now, I got one more mail. Just now. From Satish. 7:30. See, 55 minutes ago. 55 minutes ago, I got this mail from Satish. His name is Satish, BTech final year student. At the time of third year only, I mean, he started learning Java. Today, he got offer letter from Infosys as a system engineer. Already, he got Wipro and Mindtree also. So, totally 3 companies, guys. 3 companies. See, he's having an option. He's supposed to choose in which company he's supposed to go. Either Infosys or Wipro or Mindtree. How awesome it is. Am I right or wrong, guys? Tell me. Exactly. So I'm expecting similar kinds of mails from my students also. That is from you guys also. Can I do that, guys? Can I expect that? Please tell me here, please. Guys, please do remember one thing. Don't see once if this core Java is completed, don't think like sir will forgot no why we are supposed to send a mail. Don't think like that. Okay. By the end of our core Java sessions, last day, I'll be trying to share my email ID, guys. Okay. I'll be sharing my email ID with everyone. Right. So please message me. Please mail me. Okay. Along with your parents, I also will be waiting to hear the good news from you. Guys, I want to show to others here. Proudly, I want to show you guys, these are my students. All these are success stories. Okay, now this Rajesh is already there. And where is Pujita mail? Yes, we'll be going into my success stories. I want to proudly show these success stories mails to other students. Like that. Okay. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Okay. So please work hard. Again, I am saying you, there are no shortcuts for success. Work hard. Make your dreams come true. Okay. All right. Anish, I'll share my email ID once after all our sessions are complete. Anish, can you please wait for that, please? Okay. Right. All right, guys. Ishwar, you're asking me, sir, how much package will be given for a degree student? Ishwar, it's not related to degree or else BTech here. It's related how much nicely you are performing in the interview. As simple as this. Okay. Forget about your degree or BTech or MCA or MTech. That does not matter. Enjoy the interview. Interview is fun. Java interview is fun. Don't get scared. Okay. All right, guys. All right. Now, let us start out today's session. So today we are going to discuss about interface. Interface, guys. Interface. Now, point number 1. First point. Right. Guys, point number 1. Whenever we are discussing about interface, the very first point which you need to remember is interface is not a class. Interface is not a class. It is a blueprint of a class. Okay, guys, interface. Again, I am saying you, interface is not a class. It is a blueprint of a class. Blueprint of a class means It may seem like class, but it is not a class. Okay, for example, guys, what is the syntax of an interface? What is the syntax of an interface? First, we need to write an access modifier, access modifier, access modifier. First, we need to write access modifier. After that, we need to write interface. In the very first starting demo classes, I told you interface, FAC, interface. After that, we need to write interface name, INTRFAC, interface name, and then open braces and close braces. This is the syntax of a Java interface. This is the syntax of a Java interface. Okay. This is not the syntax of a class. Class syntax is different. Interface syntax is different. At the place of this interface keyword, for a class, we'll be having class keyword. As simple as this. Okay. So point number one, the first point, interface is not a class. It is a blueprint of a class. Means it may seem like a class, but actually it is not a class. Now, what is the difference between, I mean, guys, this is actually one of the most popular interview point of view question. What is the difference between class and an interface? Class and an interface. Okay. Very soon, you'll be able to understand that difference between a class and an interface. First, let me try to give you an idea about an interface. After learning an interface, like what are the features, what are the key points which we need to remember in interface, after learning these features in interface, then easily we'll be able to understand what is the difference between an interface and a class. What do you say, guys? Is it okay? What do you say? What is your opinion? Is it fine? I mean, what I'm thinking, what I'm thinking is first I want to discuss about interface. Later, I'll try to show you the difference between class and interface. Easily, you'll be able to understand that. Right. Okay. First point, interface is not a class. It is a blueprint of a class. Second point. Every method in interface is every method in interface is by default public abstract. Every method in interface is by default public abstract. Every variable in interface is by default public static final. Public static final, like this. Every method in interface is by default public abstract. Every variable in interface is by default public static final. Guys, let me try to write some points first. After that, I'll be trying to discuss all these points with the help of a program. Okay. Now, point number four. From Java 1.8 onwards, please listen to me. In interface, we can write, let me write like this, from Java 1.8 version onwards, in interface, we can write static methods and default methods. From Java 1.8 onwards, we can write static methods and default methods. Point number 5. Guys, don't worry. I'll explain you. Every point I'll explain you. From Java 1.8 version onwards, we can even write main method also inside an interface. Inside an interface. Point number 6. From Java 1.9 version onwards, in an interface, we can write private methods also. In an interface, we can write private methods also. Private methods also. Okay. Point number 7. Just like an abstract class, we can't create what? Can you please complete the sentence? Very good. We can't create object for an interface. We can't create object for an interface. Okay. Now, point number 8. For the abstract methods, guys, just listen to the points correctly. Okay. For the abstract methods present in the interface, we need to provide implementation by using, can you please tell me by using which concept? Yeah, that is correct. By using method over RIDDING. By using method overriding. Datta, method overriding. Of course, when you're speaking about method overriding, obviously inheritance will be involved. That is 100% correct. Okay, Datta, I hope it's clear for you. Right. Now, point number 9. Guys, are you understanding the points? Please tell me here. Simple points. Yesterday we have already seen these kinds of points, right? Right. Now, point number 9. If we want to inherit an interface, into a class, we need to use, guys, answer my question. In inheritance, how many keywords are there? 2 keywords are there in inheritance, I told you. Did you remember them? What are those? First one is extends, second one is implements, I told you, right? When we will be using extends keyword, if we are inheriting a class into another class. If we are inheriting a class into another class, we need to use extends keyword. If we want to inherit an interface, if we want to inherit an interface into a class, we need to use the keyword. We need to use the keyword implements. We need to use the keyword implements. Guys, this is important. This is important. Okay. Not extends. We need to use the keyword implements. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys. For example, okay. For example, class. We are having a class A. Okay. Class A inherited. Like if we want to inherit class A into class B. I want to inherit class A into class B. Okay. Right. I want to inherit class A into class B. Which keyword I am supposed to use? Extends. I need to use extends. If I want to inherit, for example, if I want to inherit interface A into class, another class A. Okay. Which keyword I need to use? Implements. Guys, I hope you're understanding me. Implements. And do you know what? Actually, we can inherit an interface A into another interface also. We can inherit one interface into another interface also. At this particular scenario, again, we need to use which keyword? Extends. Guys, are you understanding the difference here? Kindly please respond me here. Please respond me. Class into a class. Extends. Interface into a class. Implements. Interface into another interface. Interface into another interface. Extends. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay. Am I clear with this? That is great. Guys, please respond. Please respond. Please respond. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Right. Right, guys. That is great. That is great. Now, let me go to one more point. That is, please observe here. Point number 10. Point number 10. Okay. Point number 10. If we are inheriting an interface, and if there are any abstract methods present in that interface, guys, I believe you already know the coming point. Did you know the coming points? I mean, I want to complete this point. Do you know what I'm going to write? Do you know what I'm going to write? Just read the point. If we are inheriting an interface, and if there are any abstract, Srinivas, that is good. If there are any abstract methods present in the interface, then in the child class, 100% we need to provide implementation for the abstract methods present in that interface. Otherwise we will be getting an compile time error. I believe you already guessed this point. Can you guess this point, guys? Yes or no? So similarly, I believe you can guess the next point also. Means, for example, guys, I don't want to provide implementation for the abstract methods which are present in my interface. What is my option? I don't want to provide implementation for the abstract methods which are present in my interface. What I need to do? What is my option? Exactly. If I don't want to provide implementation for the abstract methods present in the interface, then I need to make my child class as abstract. If I don't want to provide implementation for the abstract methods present in the interface, then I need to make my child class as abstract. Finally, last point, that is, by using Java interfaces, we can achieve multiple inheritance. By using Java interfaces, we can achieve multiple inheritance. I'll show you guys. I'll show you how to perform that multiple inheritance also. I'll show you. Right now, guys, one last point. Actually, I just want to ask you this. Can we write constructors in interface? Can we write constructors in interface? What is your opinion? Yes or no? Okay, some people are saying yes and some people are saying no. Okay, I'm getting mixed answers here. Okay, guys, can you please tell me what is the first rule of a constructor? What is the first rule of a constructor? First rule. Go ahead. There are actually two rules. I'm just asking you the first rule. Exactly. Constructor name should be having, constructor should be having same name as class name. Constructor name should be same name as class name. Is interface a class? Is interface a class? Interface is not a class. So can you write constructors in interface? Can you write constructors in interface? No, we cannot write constructors in interface. Okay, just let me try to write that point also, like 13th point. We can't write, we can't write constructors in interface because interface is not a class. Interface is not a class. Okay, interface is not a class. Guys, up to now, is it clear for everyone? Up to now, is it clear for everyone? You cannot write getters and setters methods. You cannot write getters and setters methods. No. Right, guys. All right. Now, guys, please check this. Now, let us go with a program on this interface. Let us try to check a program on this interface. Please concentrate correctly. Okay. So I'm having an interface here like this. Okay. So guys, if I want to create an interface, okay, just let me try to create this. Let me delete my old interface. Okay. Now I'm just trying to create an interface. If I want to create an interface, simply how I'll be creating a class in the same manner, right click on a package, go to new, select interface. Once again, in which package you want to create an interface, right click on that package, go to new, select interface. Okay, I'm giving interface name INTRFAC, interface name as A, just name as A, and finish. An interface got created. Public interface, interface name, open braces and close braces. As simple as this. Now, guys, for example, this is a class, this is an interface. Okay. Now I'm having a method, void method one like this. I want to make this method as abstract method. Why I'm getting an error? Can you please tell me? Why I am getting an error? Is this an abstract method? Yes or no? Is that an abstract method? No, this is not an abstract method. Why? Why it is not an abstract method? Because we should declare this method as abstract. Then only abstract method. Okay, let me make this class also as abstract, abstract. Now, this is abstract method, right? But do you know what? When we are speaking about interface, just simply write void method one. That's it. No need to specifically use the keyword abstract. Why? Because every method present in interface is by default what? Every method present in interface is by default public abstract. No need to specifically write the abstract keyword. By default public abstract. So this is actually an abstract method. Do you know what? Actually, up to Java 1.7 version, up to Java 1.7 version, we cannot write any other methods inside an interface. up to Java 1.7 version, every method, you don't have any other option to write a method body. Why? Because by default, every method is public abstract. But from Java 1.8 version onwards, we can write static methods. Please observe here, static is static, void. Let me go to like method 2 like this. Okay, a method 2 like this. Now here, simply I'm writing system.out.println from I am static method, static is a static method in interface. I'm static method interface, system.out.println. I am available from Java. Tell me which version? Which version? I am available from Java 1.8 version. Okay, this is static method. Just like this, from 1.8 version only, we can write default methods also. Wow, default methods, void method 3. And here I'm trying to write system.out.println, system.out.println. Okay, let me, sorry, just a second. Let me get this here. Now system.out.println, and here I am default method in interface, and of course it is available from, okay, system.out.println, and it is available from Java 1.8 version. From Java 1.8 version. Now Anish, you're asking me why, sir, like write 1.8 version. It is a new feature, Anish. It is a new feature which is introduced in Java 1.8 version. They got updated, as simple as this. Okay. Now, guys, did you observe if I'm seeing line number 13, I'm getting an error. Am I right? I'm getting an error. Why I am getting an error? Sir, this is a default method. Yes, that is a default method. If I keep my cursor here, can you please check what is the error message I am getting? Error message is abstract methods does not specify a body. No, this is not an abstract method. This is not, guys, who is saying semicolon is missing here? If we are writing semicolon, can we write method body? If we are writing semicolon, can we write method body? What is your doing here? What you are listening? What you are listening? For abstract method only, semicolon will be there. Guys, I promise you, I will not accept errors. I will not accept mistakes in abstraction. Please. Gunshot question interview. Please. Please respond it correctly. Right. Right. So here, why we are getting an error here? Because compiler is thinking that this is abstract method. But according to our opinion, is this an abstract method? No. What is that method? According to our opinion, what is that method? Default method. Exactly. Guys, we need to write default keyword. Sir, but for class, we did not write. Exactly. For a class, it is not required. Why? Because inside a class, every method is not by default public abstract. When you are speaking in interface, by default, every method is public abstract. So that is the only reason we need to specifically mention the default access modifier. Am I clear with this, guys? Please tell me. 100% we need to write default access modifier. If you are not writing default access modifier, you will be getting an error. You will be getting an error. Okay. Now, Gaurav, you're asking questions that all methods inside interface are abstract by default, but why static method does not need access modifier? Gaurav, static method in interface, static method also will be considered as a, like, static keyword also will be considered as an access modifier in interface. Guys, kindly please don't get confused with, again I'm saying you, please don't get confused with interface and a class. Interface is different, class is different. Gaurav, is it clear? Right now, what is the access modifier for this static method? You know, it is static only. Please don't consider this as a static keyword. You need to consider this as both static keyword and access modifier. As simple as this. As simple as this. That is great. That is great. Now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. Now, Krishna are asking a question. Sir, line number 5 is public or default? Guys, what is your opinion? Is it public or default access modifier? Public. Why? Because I already told you by default it is public abstract, right? Okay. Now, guys, please concentrate. Let me try to have private method also. Private, okay, void method for like this. Private void method for like this. And here I'm just trying to write system.out.println. I am private method interface. I am available from Java. Which version? From Java. Which version? 1.1.8. 9, 1.9. Kindly please don't get confused. Please. Okay. Right. That is great. Okay. This is 1.9 like this. 1.9 like this. Okay. Now you said, like I told, that we can write main method also inside an interface. Yes. Please. System.out.println. Hi, I'm from main method. Or else, just let me try to write main method called from interface A. Main method called from interface A, like that. Okay. Now, so I already told you, guys, we cannot create an object. So without create an object for interface, what is the use of this main method? What is your opinion, guys? Which methods we can call? Actually, we are having method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4. Which methods we can call from the main method? Which methods we can call from the main method? Yes, static. I mean, that is method 2. Okay. Just let us try to call interface A dot method 2. That's it. Let me execute. Right click, run as Java application, and see main method call. I am from static method in interface, and I'm available from Java 1.8 version. That is great. Sir, what about other methods? Okay, guys, I believe you can answer this question. Tell me where or how I need to provide implementation for this method 1. How I need to provide implementation for the method 1. Manoj, I cannot call default method. Manoj. Right. So if I want to provide implementation for this method 1, I need to provide implementation with the help of method overriding. Okay. Now I want to override this method 1. Means first point. What is the first step in inheritance? Sorry. What is the first step in method overriding? I need to provide inheritance, right? Tell me, extends extends interface interface A. Can I write like this? No, I cannot. Why I cannot write like this? Why? Because you are inheriting an interface into a class. So which keyword we need to use? Implements. And why we are getting an error here? Can you please tell me why we are getting an error there? Come on, guys. Please don't disappoint. Please don't disappoint. Why we are getting an error? Go on. Go on. That is good, Krishna. Mukesh. Bhuvaneshwar. No, Anish. No. Why we are getting an error? Guys, please give me complete answer here. Like, don't go with one word. Exactly, sir. Class A did not. Yeah, that is correct. That is correct, guys. Class A is inheriting an interface, and in that interface, you are having an abstract method. We are having an abstract method here. So we need to provide implementation for that abstract method. Okay, for example, if I don't want to provide implementation, if I don't want to provide implementation for the abstract method which is presented in my interface, what is my option? Make my class as abstract, abstract. Make my class as abstract. But actually, I want to provide implementation. I want to provide implementation. Okay. So void method one like this and system.out.println abstract method abstract 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 method implemented. implemented abstract method implemented. Now, can you please tell me why I'm getting an error? Can you please tell me why I'm getting an error? Guys, yesterday only, Upender, yesterday only I told you, no need to write annotation. That is just for a requirement. That's it. Annotation is not required here. If I want to write, I will write, or else no. Mukesh, very good. Very good, Mukesh. I'm impressed. Guys, by default, what is this method? By default, what is that method? Public abstract. If we are overriding a public method, what are our options as an access modifier? How many options are there? Exactly, only public. So here, please write it as public. Guys, did you understand the logic? Did you? Please tell me here. Please tell me. Yes, that is great. That is great. Now, please observe here, guys. Main method. Inside my main method, normal inheritance second rule. Create an object for child. Hold that object with parent reference. Okay, just let me go with like AOBJ belongs to INTRFAC interface A. Hold that with parent reference. And please call AOBJ dot method one like this. Right click, run as Java application, and I will be able to get my output, that is abstract method implemented. Now, can I call this method 3 also? Can I call this method 3 also from here? Please tell me yes or no. Yes, yes. Okay. AOBJ dot method 3. Okay, very good. Right click, run as Java application, and yes, I'll be able to call my default method also. No problem. Abstract method I can call, and default method also I can call. Okay. But what about this private method here? How to call that private method? Can we call the private method from this interface A? Inside the interface A, can we call it? Then how to call? Okay, can we call this private method from class A? No. Why? Because the scope of private is only up to this particular interface. Then how? Okay, guys, tell me one thing. Can we call this private method from this static method? Rato, don't go for encapsulation here. Don't go for encapsulation. My question is, can we call this method from static method? Yes or no? Yes. How? 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 How can we call that? Please remember keywords. You know the keywords. I told you there are some keywords are there. Okay. This. Okay. So guys, can we use this keyword inside a static area? No, we cannot use this keyword inside a static area. Can we use this keyword inside this default method? Yeah, we can use that. We can use that. Okay, so I'll do one thing. System.out.println. Okay, I'll be trying to call this dot method 4 like this. I am calling my private method from my default method, and I can call this default method here. What do you say, guys? Did you understand the logic? Right click, run as Java application. And of course, my private method also will be getting executed. Am I clear with this? Please tell me here. Yes. Okay. So private methods, we can write private methods inside an interface. If you want to call the private method, if you want to execute the private method, you need to call the private method from the default method, and you need to call this default method from your class, like another class. Okay. Right. Now I'm having a small question. For example, let me try to have one more interface B. Okay, interface B. Now inside this interface B, I'm just trying to have a method void show method, show. Show. This is also an abstract method. Can I inherit this interface also here in this class A? Can I inherit that? Exactly. That is extends keyword, right, Manoj? How can we use extends keyword here? How can we use extends keyword? This is an interface, buddy. This is an interface. Implements keyword only, but simply we'll be using comma interface B. Extends. I mean, we have inherited two interfaces. What is that concept known as? What is that concept known as? Krishna, not multi-level. What is that concept known as? Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. This is the way how we can achieve multiple inheritance in Java with the help of interfaces. For example, sir, okay, why I am getting an error? You are getting an error because okay, in interface B also you are having this abstract method. Please provide overriding. Okay, public void show method, and here I'll be writing system.out.println. Here interface interface A abstract method implemented, and here I'm writing interface interface B abstract abstract method implemented implemented. Okay, like that. As simple as this. As simple as this. Now, okay, if I want to call, this show method, can I call it with the help of a? Okay, can I call it with the help of aobj.show like this? Can I call like this? What is your opinion, guys? I don't immediately reply. Please don't immediately reply. Think and reply. Think and reply. If you give immediately, you'll be giving wrong answers. Please think. Just think. Exactly. Exactly. No, we cannot. We cannot. Why? Because if you are trying to call like this, we'll be getting an error. Why? Is show method belongs to interface A? No. Show method belongs to interface B. Am I right? So here we'll be getting an compile time error because show method belongs to interface B. So if we want to call show method, okay, new class A like this and hold that with BOBJ belongs to INTRFAC interface B like this and BOBJ dot show method like that we need to call. Now, if we execute our program, right click run as Java application, we'll be able to get our output like this. Interface B abstract method implemented. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, shall we make our program a little bit more crazy? What do you say, guys? Little bit. Are you ready? Can you take it? Okay, I just got one small doubt. The thing is, for example, in class B, I am having a method void display method, void display method, and I'm just trying to have system.out.println sys for system.out.println, and here I'm writing Java is you know the statement. You know the statement. Java is exactly awesome. 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 Now, my question is, can I inherit this class B in class A? Think and answer. Think and answer. Can I inherit class B in class A? Actually, class A is already inheriting two interfaces. So, can I do that? Means, guys, I want to inherit a class into another class. Which keyword I need to use? Which keyword I need to use? Okay. EXTENDS extends class B. What is your answer? Can I inherit? Hold. Please hold that question. Like, please hold that answer. Instead of writing here, I want to write here. Now answer my question. Can we inherit a class? Class A extends class B. Now, new class A with the help of child class object, I am trying to call my parent class method. Right click, run as Java application. Is it clear, guys? Please tell me. Yes or no? This is about Java interface. This is about Java interface. Do me a favor. Can you please look at these? Guys, can you please look at these? Sorry, just a second. Differences. Tell me. Slowly, read them slowly. Just read them slowly. Read them slowly, please. Slowly, slowly. Did you got it? Did you got it, guys? Please respond. Please respond. Right, right, right. Now, guys, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Please, please have this program starting from interface A. Please, please, from interface A. Go ahead. Be fast. Be fast. Okay. Okay. I got a question like Raghava. You're saying, sir, I'm getting an error if I'm writing a private method. Raghava, please make sure that you are using more than Java 8 version. Which version you are using, please check. Your version should be at least Java 1.9. Please check with that. Okay. Guys, completed writing this interface A. Is it done? Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. Please write. Please write. Please write. It's okay. It's okay. Take time. Right, right. Completed, guys. Completed. Sushil, yes. Please make sure you remember those versions, please. All right. All right. Interface B. Just interface B. Go ahead with interface B. Class B. Class B. Class A. Class A. Whenever you are inheriting a class along with interfaces, please make sure you should be writing first extends, then implements. Krishna, we cannot call method 3 if you are going with multi-level inheritance. That is different. This is different, Krishna. We cannot call method 3. Please check. If you're trying to call method 3, you'll be getting an error. Please don't get confused, everybody. Yep, definitely. All right, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done? Okay, please write. Please write. Please inform if completed, guys. Please inform if completed. All right. I hope it's complete for everyone. This is the output. Please go through the output also once. This is the output. Right. So guys, just for once, I'm going with all the programs, like all these interfaces. Please check once, just for once. Interface A, interface B, and class B, and class A. As simple as this. Right. So did you took the screenshots? Output, you want output also? Okay. Let me show you the output. Right. Output also I'm showing. Please check. Clear, Naveen? Right, right. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay. Now, so guys, I'm just trying to give you one small definition. That is, please check this. Guys, please check this. Can you please keep your side heading as functional interface? Please keep your side heading as functional interface. Functional interface. Functional interface. Okay. What is a functional interface? An interface which is having only one abstract method is known as functional interface. Inside a functional interface, we can have default methods, private methods, static methods, and main method also. But there should be only one abstract method. Guys, in functional interface, I said 3 points. First point, second point, and third point, like this. An interface which is having only one abstract method is known as functional interface. Inside a functional interface, we can have default methods, private methods, static methods, and main method also. But there should be only one abstract method. That type of interface is known as functional interface. Example for functional interface is runnable. Runnable interface. We'll be discussing about this runnable interface whenever we are dealing with our multi-threading. Whenever we are dealing with our multi-threading, we'll be able to discuss about this, guys. Okay? Right. Right. Did you got an idea about what is actually a functional interface? Like if anyone asks you, what is a functional interface? What you need to answer? If anyone asks you, what is a functional interface? Can you answer it? Please tell me, guys, please tell me. Please tell me. Functional interface means an interface which is having only one abstract method. Remember that point, guys. Remember that point. Only one abstract method is known as functional interface. Now, one more interface known as marker interface. Marker interface. What is a marker interface, you know? An empty interface which does not have any methods or any variables is known as a marker interface. Marker interface means an empty interface which does not have any methods or any variables. That is known as marker interface. Marker interface. What is the use of this marker interface, you know? If a class is inheriting this marker interface, that class will achieve some special properties. If a class is inheriting this marker interface, that class will achieve some special properties. Guys, simple here. Functional interface means only one abstract method. Marker interface means it is an empty interface. What is a marker interface? Marker interface means it is an empty interface. You don't have any methods or else you don't have any variables. It is just an empty interface, just a name, just a name. Example for marker interface is serializable interface, clonable interface. Serializable interface. Serializable is a marker interface. Clonable is also a marker interface. Clonable, we'll be discussing about this clonable interface after exception handling whenever we are dealing with clone method. Did you remember that, guys? We did not discuss about clone method which is present in object class. Did you remember that? Yes, that particular clone method. Whenever we are dealing with clone method, we'll be discussing about this clonable marker interface and serializable interface. We will be discussing about this serializable interface whenever we are dealing with IO streams. IO streams concept. So as of now, kindly please do remember two types of interfaces. First one is functional interface. Second one is marker interface. Is it okay, guys? I'll try to upload these definitions in our Google Classroom. Okay, I'll upload it. I'll upload it. All right, guys. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. So by today, we have successfully completed with our object-oriented programming features. And tomorrow onwards, we are going to start entirely a new concept. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed our OOPS features. Did you enjoy the OOPS features? Did you enjoy the OOPS features, guys? Please tell me. Krishna, regarding these OOPS, yes, you will be getting these examples. Trust me. Just please wait for that. All right, guys. All right. All right. All right, guys. That's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. So we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Good night. Good night.